Pakistan and China reform commitment to forget deeper strategic ties. US President-elect Joe Biden victory in Georgia has been confirmed by a vote recount. In Egypt, 12 people died and 5 others wounded in a road accident in Minya province today on Friday. WHO plans to vaccinate at least 20% of Africa population for COVID-19. Palestinian decry Pompeo planned visit to illegal Israeli settlements. Europe could face third 6-month period in wake of research of COVID-19. UN warns of very dire consequences for children as COVID-19 pandemic drags on. In India, 14 people including 6 children have been killed in a road accident in Uttar Pradesh state.